Sarah came to me with a problem that 90% of you are facing right now. She was tired, constantly catching colds, and her chest felt like wet cement. Her doctor ran her blood work and said, "Everything is normal, you're just stressed." But at the Gut Tales, we don't look at numbers. We look at the story your body is telling. Today, we're going to look through the lens of Sarah's journey to uncover 5 biological secrets. These could be the difference between you feeling exhausted or feeling electric. We're starting with a simple onion and ending with the hidden immune gates in your feet. Most people laughed when Sarah put an onion on her nightstand. But she wasn't doing magic, she was doing chemistry. Onions contain sulfur, compounds specifically thiosulfonates, that act as a biological magnet for toxins. When you breathe that air, you are thinning the mucus bonds before they even reach your gut. Remember, every time you swallow mucus, you are taxing your gut's immune system. By clearing her lungs through the air, Sarah gave her gut a much-needed holiday. Next, we had to address her dirty filter. If you live in a city, your lungs are like a grey sponge. Sarah's cilia, the tiny hairs that sweep out dust, had stopped dancing. We used mullein leaf. In herbalism, we call this a dermit. It creates a slippery layer that physically unglues pollution from your lung walls. When your lungs are clean, your blood is rich in oxygen, and when your blood is oxygenated, your brain fog disappears. This is where Sarah was making her biggest mistake. She was spending $50 a month on synthetic vitamin C. But here is the scandal. Isolated ascorbic acid is missing the life code. In nature, vitamin C travels with a family of bioflavonoids. Without that family, your cells don't have the key to open the door. Sarah was making expensive urine while her cells were starving. We switched her to whole food sources cacao plums and bell peppers, and suddenly her skin started to glow. Finally, we found the icefoot monster. Sarah always had cold feet, but she didn't realize it was locking her immune system. Through the vasa reflex, cold feet tell your body to shut down the blood flow to your nose and throat to save heat. By simply soaking her feet in warm water and salt before bed, Sarah unlocked her immune gates. Her defenders were finally back on the front line. 1 month later, Sarah wasn't just not sick, she was vibrant. Her energy crashes at 2 p.m. were gone. Her breath was deep. She realized that her body wasn't failing her, just needed a conductor. I want you to comment story below if you've ever felt like Sarah. If you've been told your health is normal, but you know something is wrong, I want to hear your story. And if you want the exact 3-herb tea recipe we used for Sarah's lung scrub, check the description below. Subscribe to the Gut Tales next week. We're going inside the hormone gut bridge to see why your gut is the secret to balancing your estrogen. I'll see you in the next tale.